Before we get started, make sure your Heras fence panels are properly assembled and securely positioned. Brush off any dirt or debris so your cover sits flat and attaches cleanly. Next, unpack your fence cover and unroll it fully. Lay it out so it's ready to line up with the fence panel. Start in the top left corner. Thread a cable tie through the eyelet and around the fence bar, then tighten it just enough to hold the position. Make sure the cover sits slightly underneath your top bar. Any higher will cause a gap at the bottom. Now work your way across the top and down the sides, loosely attaching each eyelet one at a time. Don't fully tighten the cable ties just yet. This allows you to make adjustments later. Keep the cover reasonably taut as you go to avoid sagging. Once all the eyelets are loosely secured, take a moment to adjust the positioning of the cover. When you're happy with how it looks, go back and tighten each cable tie to hold everything firmly in place. With everything tightened and in position, trim off the excess ends of the cable ties for a clean, professional finish. And that's it. Your Heras fence cover is installed and ready to go. For more tips or support, get in touch. We're here to help.